Hi everyone! The tips you'll hear here come straight from experienced technicians who work at this well-known appliance repair shop. So let's get ready to fix this issue. When a Maytag washer shows the infamous F1E1 code, what it's really saying is that something isn't working correctly inside its electronic brain, what technicians call the main control board. Basically, it's like the washer got confused and doesn't know what to do next. A client recently came into the shop saying it froze on F1E1 and wouldn't respond to anything. It was like it fell asleep. Situations like this are more common than you might think, and on repair forums, many customers share similar experiences where the error pops up suddenly and the machine won't start properly. Also, something we always notice in the shop is that some clients try turning the washer off and on multiple times, but the error keeps coming back. This happens because F1E1 signals an internal communication issue on the board, not an external problem like water or the pump. One of our technicians said, when the main control detects that something isn't working right, it locks the entire machine to prevent further damage. That's why, even after restarting, the code may reappear. On the other hand, some clients have told us that unplugging the washer for a few minutes sometimes allows the machine to reset and work temporarily. One client said, I turned it off, waited 5 minutes, and it started, but after a while, F1E1 came back. This is something also seen repeatedly on English and Spanish forums. A reset helps only if the fault was temporary, but if the code returns immediately, the most likely cause is a damaged control board or a failing internal relay. So, the next step in the shop is always to diagnose the main control board. Many clients with this issue found that replacing that board fixed the error permanently. As one of them said, after changing the module, F1E1 never came back, and the washer works like new. This matches what Maytag's technical bulletins recommend. If F1E1 keeps appearing after a reset, the solution is to check and, if needed, replace the main control board.